Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning Surah Al-An'am, ayah number 99 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء ومخرج واو circle in your lips ففتحول open your jaws who for the circle lips the sound is short وال مخرج of واو circle in your lips ففتح open jaws attach with lam will get sip up توسط لا ففتح open jaws the sound is short the make sure you get the right makhraj of thal and then make it 4 counts long without going into your nose because long vowel is from your jawf. This is ikhfa, so make sure you keep it in your nose. You're preparing your mouth to say the letter za. You are keeping the sound in your nose and hiding this. You're not pronouncing noon from your mouth. So, za for fatha upon jaws, la for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nas for fatha upon jaws, attached sin. Sin will get sipa for a qawa. It is light and it has safir. Ma. Ma is 4 counts long. And this is muttasil wajib. So make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give E sound. Ma. Mad muttasil wajib. So make it 4 counts long. For fatha open jaws and then give ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You are keeping your tongue straight. You are preparing your sound, your mouth to say makhraj of fa, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Fa. Give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. For fatha open jaws attached kha will get sifa of raqawa, and it is heavy. Raji. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha, it is heavy. For fatha open jaws attached jim will get sifa of qalqala. This qalqala should be very crisp and nice. Raji. Na 2 counts long. B for kasra give e sound. He 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Ba 2 counts long. Ta for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Kul for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Li for kasra give e sound. Shay. This is lean when you're attaching fatha with ya. You're making it soft. Shay. Again, this ikhfa is with fa, so you are preparing your mouth to say this fa letter, and you are keeping the sound in your nose. Fa. Give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws. Attach it kha. Kha is heavy and it has rakhawa, so the sound should flow but should not drag. أخرج. Ra is heavy. Fatha upon jaws attached jim. Jim will get sipa up. Qalqala, and jim is a mashhura letter, so should not escape any sound or breath. Raj. Na 2 counts long. Min for kasra give e sound attached. Noon will get sipa up. Tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Who for the circle lips from your and it should be from your throat. Kha is heavy for fatha open jaws. Dad is heavy for kasra give e sound. Run. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nuh. Keep noon light and for dhamma circle lips attached. Kha will get sipa upper khawa. It is heavy and so the sound should flow nicely. Nuh. Ri. Ra is light. Whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Ju for the circle lips, the sound is short. Min for kasra give e sound attached. Noon will get sipa up the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. Who for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hab. Ha from your throat with hams for top and jaws attached. Ba will get sipa of shidda and the sound will cut off abruptly. Bam. Idgham with gunna. So the sound, the gunna should be in your throat for a longer, in your nose for a longer time. Gunna is from your nose, and it should it is a longer gunna. Habam mu mu for the circular lips. Ta, very sharp sound for cut open jaws. Ra is heavy, make it 2 counts long. Ki for kasra give e sound. Bam bow. It go on with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of vowel circling your lips for cut open jaws. The sound is short. Mi for kasra give e sound. Nah for fatha open jaws at wa mi nan for fatha open jaws attach it noon will get sip up gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Nah for fatha open jaws attach it kha will get sip up for khawa, and it is heavy. Li for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. Mia for kasra give e sound, and this ikhfa is heavy, so your tongue should be lifted up, and you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meow. Qal. Qal. طا is heavy for top and jaws attached with lam. Lam gets it up. توسط and حكمه إظهار. عي. Ain from your throat for kasra give e sound. Ha. 2 counts long. طن. Qaf is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with noon. Noon gets it up. التوسط. This is إظهار مطلق. طن و مخرج wow, circling your lips, make it 2 counts long. No, this is إخفاء, so keeping the sound in your nose and preparing your mouth to say letter dal. No, da 2 counts long. Ni focus give e sound. Yeah, soft letter for the top on your jaws. The sound is short. Tung. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of vowel circling your lips, fatha open jaws. Jan. Make sure you are not escaping any breath or sound in jim. Otherwise, it will sound like ch. It's j, and attach with noon. Noon will get sip of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Jan. Na 2 counts long. Tiung. Sorry. Jannatim. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Min for kasra give e sound attach it noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna and hukmu sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Noon has tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Min Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Na 2 counts long. Biung for kasra give e sound attached with wow. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Was makhraj of wow, circling your lips attached with za will get sifa of rakhawa. It has safir, and it is light. Was zay. This is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, it is soft. Zay to the for the circular lips, make it 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wow. Makhraj of our circling your lips, fatha open jaws attach it raw will get sipa of the wasut, and raw will be heavy. Whenever raw is with dhamma, it is heavy. Wow. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Mush for dhamma circling lips attach with sheen. Sheen will get sipa of rakhawa. And as you will touch sheen, your lips should be in a straight position. Ta, very sharp sound for fatha open your jaws. B for kasra give e sound. The sound is sharp. How idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips, so fatha open jaws. Ghain is heavy. For and this is lean, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, it is soft. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy. Ra mu Mu for Dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ta for Fatha open jaws. Sha, 2 counts long. B for Kasra give E sound and attach it ha. Ha will get sifa abrakhawa because it is with sukoon now. V. How you figure out that there is Dhamma? You count third letter. Hamza is first, Noon is second, and Za is third. So when third letter has Dhamma, give Dhamma to Hamzatul Wasl or give Kasra. Otherwise, give Kasra. So here we are giving Dhamma. So and this ikhfa is heavy because there is dha coming up, so heavy letter, so it needs your tongue should be lifted up nicely. Wu dha is heavy for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ru ra is heavy for the circle ellipse, make it 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil jaiz. E for Kasra give E sound. La 2 counts long. Tha engage right makhraj tha for Fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ma for Fatha open jaws. Ri ra with Kasra. It is always light with Kasra. Ri he for this is mad munfasil jaiz. Make it 4 counts long. E for Kasra give E sound. The Mad munfasil jais, make it 4 counts long, and the long vowel should not go into your nose, but it should be from your jawf, vacuum of your mouth. As Hamza is sharp, for Fatha upon jaws, attach with that, I will get the sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow nicely. As ma, for Fatha upon jaws. Ra is heavy for Fatha upon jaws. Huwa, makhraj of our circle in your lips, for Fatha upon jaws. Yan, ya is soft, attach with nun gets sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. Ay, ain from your throat nicely, for Kasra give E sound, attach with ha will get sifa of rakhaw because it is with sukoon now. In Hamza is sharp for Kasra give E sound, attach with nun will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Fi 2 counts long with hums in fa. The 2 counts long. Li for Kasra give E sound. Kum for Dhamma circle ellipse, attach with me will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. La for Fatha upon jaws. 2 counts long. Ya 2 counts long. Till idgham without gunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose for at all. No, don't keep it in your nose. Till li for kasra give E sound. Pau of is heavy, and this fatha will be attached with wow softly because this is lean. Pau me idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. You for the circle ellipse. Attach with Hamza. As you will touch Hamza, your lips should be in a straight position, and Hamza will cut off the sound because this is Shidda letter. You, me, focus on giving sound. Noon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. These ayat are beautiful. Like Surat Al-An'am is I have personal hope for this surah because this gives you the ma'rifah of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Subhanallah, who Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is, how is his asma, his sifat, so and his af'al. So in Surah Al-An'am you can find af'alihi, like his what he do, what he does in this world, and how he give us subhanallah so many things without even asking. We are not asking for it, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always providing us. And the subhanallah, whenever you read it, it goes in your heart. Subhanallah, it's amazingly beautiful. The ayat are like you cannot, subhanallah, leave it like without like pondering it. I mean, you ponder on it, you love it, and you deep you go deep into it. You cannot leave these ayat like this, subhanallah. You cannot. It's not possible. Like without going deep, you just run through these ayat. It's not possible. It's amazing. These ayat are amazing. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وهو الذي أنزل من السماء ماء أنزل من السماء ماء فأخرجنا به نبات كل شيء فأخرجنا منه خضرا نخرج منه حبا متراكبا نخرج به حبا متراكبا ومن النخل من طلعها قنوان دانية وجنات من أعناب والزيتون والرمان مشتبها وغير متشابه انظروا إلى ثمره إذا أثمر وينعي إن في ذلكم لآيات لقوم يؤمنون. اللهم اجعلنا منهم يا رحمن. وجعلوا مقصود for circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lu for the circle your lips, make it 2 counts long. Lil lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. La lafz jalala is always long. He for kasra give e sound. Shu for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ka mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long and make sure don't go into your nose. Al hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws, attach it lam will get sifa of tawasut. Jin for kasra give e sound, attach it noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open jaws. Makhraj of paw is circle in your lips. For fatha open jaws. Kha is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lam is light. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. For fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with me will get sifa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhar. ومخرج الواو circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Kha is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy. For the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. La for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Ba for fatha open your jaws, ni 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. مخرج of always circle in your lips. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ba for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Na 2 counts long. Tim this is iqlab. After tanween, you find the letter ba. So you are exchanging the sound. You are changing the sound of noon into mim. This is iqlab. You're changing it. So the change is called qalb. So iqlab. So you're changing the sound. Tim B. Focus like E sound. Goi. Goi is heavy for fatha on jaws attached with ya. And this is lean, so make it soft when you're attaching fatha with ya. Goi. Ri. Ra is light. Focus like E sound. Ghil. Ain from your throat. Focus right. Give E sound attached with lam. And give the wasut on lam. And then give the wasut on mim because this is with sukun now. Ghil. Sube. For the circle is attached with ba. Ba will get sipab qalqala. Give a very crispy sound in ba. Sube. Sube. Ha. Two counts long from your throat with hums. Na. Na. For top and jaws, the sound is short. Who for the muscle circle your lips for and make it two counts long. Wa. Makhraj of vowel circling your lips for top and jaws. Ta. Very sharp sound for top and jaws. The sound is short. Ah, sorry. Wa, ta, ah, two counts long. La, lam is light, make it two counts long. Ain from your throat, puff top and jaws attached with meme. We will get sip of kunnas, it's kunna is akmal, so keep that sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma, two counts long. Yeah, yeah, it's soft, puff top and jaws. Si, focus target E sound, the sound is short and heavy. Foon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat li sukun. وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ شُرَكَاءَ الْجِنَّ وَخَلَقَهُمْ وخرقوا له بنين وبنات بغير علم سبحانه وتعالى عما يصفون. Ba for fatha open jaws. D two counts long. Rus eyeing from your throat. For the circle your lips attached with seen. As you will touch seen, your lips should be in a straight position. S for fatha open jaws. Yes, it will get rukhawa. It has safir and it is light. So when you are attaching ayn with seen, give safir. Rus ma two counts long. Wa two counts long. T focus like B sound. Well, makhraj of pause. Circle in your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sip up the wasut. Ar hamza is sharp of a top on jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Dot will get sifar satala and it will be heavy and it will get rakhawa because it is with sukun now. Wal arb. Wal arb. And Hamza is sharp of a top and jaws attached with nun. Nun will get sip of kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep this sound in your nose for a longer time. Na, two counts long. Yeah. Yeah is soft of a top and jaws. Ku for the ma circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Nu for the ma circle ellipse, the sound is short. La for top and jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the ma circle ellipse, make it two counts long. Wa makhraj of always circle in your lips for top and jaws. La for top and jaws, the sound is short. Do idgham with unna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of always circle in your lips for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lam for fatha open jaws attached with meme, you will get sipa of tawasut and hukmuhu idhab. Ta sharp sound for fatha open jaws. Kul this is idgham without kunna, so you're not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Kulla for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Who for the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. Sa is heavy for fatha open jaws, and the sound is two counts long. Sahi ha from your throat with hums for kasra give e sound. Ba for fatha open jaws attached with ha. This ta has changed into ha and it will get sipa of because this is with sukun now because of the waqf. هو مخرج of واو. Circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ha is heavy for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Lam is light for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Kul for the circle your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifat the wasut. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Shay. Because of this verb, you're giving sukoon here, and it brings nabar on hamza, and that will be mad lean, and it will be 4 counts long. Shay. مخرج فوق. Circle in your lips of fatha open jaws. Who for the circle in your lips the sound is short. For مخرج فوق. Circle in your lips of fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. V for kasra give E sound. Kul for the circle in your lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Li for kasra give E sound. The sound is short. Shay. This is lean, so make it soft, and you are attaching fatha with ya. In صفة التوسط حكمه إظهار. عين from your throat for top on jaws. Lim. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun on meme. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 counts long, and this is madarid sukun. When you are giving sukun on meme, you're giving tawassut too, because this is with sukun now. بديع السماوات والأرض أنى يكون له ولد ولم تكن له صاحبة أنى يكون له ولد ولم تكن له صاحبة وخلق كل شيء وهو بكل شيء عليم. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.